Can you guess this film, folks?
No.
I bet you won't from there, will you?
Lost a big account and had to cut back, and all of a sudden there I was out on the street looking for a job.
It's a bit really right, but
Anyway, finally,
It's alright, I'll blend in with the curry anyway.
sanctuary, beat up.
Alright, let's go for the curry.
oh, look at that. Bloody hell. Here we go, lads. Remember, you might have the Cassius bark and stuff like that. So, just dig it out.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
And we do have some hot honey flatbreads with this.
Oh, yeah? There we go. Right. We've got literally loads there.
Okay.
Right.
Please don't say
Fork.
someday you'll forget.
Here we go.
All right, honey.
Cheers. Thank you. Here we go. Oh, that was nice, that.
Come on, gives you a verdict.
Getting warmer.
Getting warmer.
He's gonna.
That's nice. Good.
Spot on.
Yeah. Spot on.
Spicy.
Spot on. It's warm. It's warm.
That's very good of you to come.
Shit, that's warm.
Flipping heck.
Is it kicking in?
Glad to be of assistance.
Oh, good stuff. Right, guys, well, I'm going to eat my food. What we all suffer.
I'd like you to have your truck at the Portland Docks tonight. 7 o'clock.
There we go. South Indian garlic chili chicken. Cheers, guys. And what did you think of it, guys?
Spicy. Spicy. Nice up. Yeah, really good taste. Yeah, okay, spicy.
I thought it was not too bad, to be fair.
Yeah, it was nice.
But we've got plenty left.
Literally loads left.
So we're going to top it up. And that's ready for breakfast, eh?
Yeah, I'll have that for breakfast. Yeah, no problem. Can do that.
Right. Well, it's a bye from me. It's a bye from Ant.
See ya.
It's a bye from the other Ant. And like, comment, subscribe. Do what you need to do.